Well, the strategies for keeping positive and not giving up are core ingredients to managing chronic pain effectively. So one of the things to think about, first of all, is having a pain plan where you avoid letting your chronic pain get out of control so that you feel in control. So that's a crucial thing. And other is to having your pain plan organized so that when it does get severe, that you've got strategies that are top of mind that you can work with. And so these may be things like using relaxation and stress management techniques, getting engaged in things that won't increase your pain but give you a sense of self-worth, or a reminder that your life has meaning, using positive self-statements and reframing of the situation as a learning experience, things of that sort that can help bring you from what's a natural tendency to think negatively to bringing your mind back up and feeling that you're in control again.